Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you does Samsung S26 Ultra have navbar? If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to know that if your phone has navbar or not, so let's see how can you check that. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to simply go to your settings. In settings, go to lock screen, and here in lock screen you might see navbar. So if you are able to find the setting here, so your app or your phone have navbar setting or navbar feature, you can easily customize it from here. Or if you want to see navbar in your lock screen, you can see I haven't got navbar yet. I'm gonna open my clock app here and I'm going to start a timer. Once I have started it, it will be shown up on my lock screen just in a navbar. So in this way, you can easily check if your phone have navbar or not. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.